Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. So what should we draw first when we draw a pig?
Rectangle?
Yeah, we can use a rectangle. Let's use a rectangle. Let's make our pig standing up. Okay. What's our next shape, guys?
Rectangles?
Yeah, we can use 2 tall rectangles. But what's the next shape that we should draw? What's the medium shape for a pig?
The head.
Yeah, and what shape should we use? Circle?
Yes.
Got it. All right. Let's do the circle. And then you said we should use rectangles for the arms, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And do pigs have like long rectangles or stubby rectangles? They have like long legs or short legs, or what kind of legs they have?
Short legs.
Yeah, so it's kind of short, stubby stumps. Yeah. So let's actually kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Let's make him jumping or skipping. Maybe he can skip it. So I like to, sometimes when I'm trying to figure out what I want to draw, sometimes I'll just draw that line. But we want to make those stumpy. So basically it's a rectangle, but we're just curving it so that we're showing that it's moving. Remember, we were also talking about yesterday, diagonals mean moving. So if we want him to be moving, we want to make him more diagonal, right? Yeah, so. Okay, and then for the arms, we should also make some stumpy arms and legs, huh? All right, so let's make him go like this. Okay. All right, let's work on his face. So animals have, what do we call this thing here? What should we draw next for the, what do we call this here? Starts with the M? Yeah, the muzzle. So usually we draw a muzzle with the circle, right? So we can draw it with a circle. I'm gonna draw a bigger muzzle because it's kind of like a pig. And then to make it look like a pig, you can draw this kind of thing. Okay. And then let's give him his eyes. And the muzzle is, for a pig, is kind of like a snout. So we can draw this line, and draw that line. And on the bottom, I like to connect this to the mouth. Connect it like that. Okay, what kind of shape should we use for the ears?
Triangle.
Yeah.
And we need a tail.
Okay, and how should we draw the tail? How do you think we should draw the tail, Leo?
Like a curvy one.
Like curvy? Like this?
Like a roller coaster one. Like yeah, like that.
Okay, good job. Okay, so we're almost done with our pig. Should we give our pig some clothes, or? Let's actually draw his hands and feet. So with pigs, I like to draw something simple like this. And actually, I like to do 2, and then I do a thumb. I think something like that. I can round them out. And then if you want to draw action lines, you can do these kind of call them silhouette lines, or kind of action lines. You basically just kind of copy what's around it. So it makes it look like movement. Okay, let's give him a shirt. I can put a belly button. All right. There's our pig. Now we have a pig character. Okay, so we got our pig. So I have a question for you. How do we make something look big? I'll give you guys a hint. You put something next to it. So if something looks big, it's next to something that is?
Small.
Yeah, so something that's small. So I'm gonna give you guys a minute, actually 2 minutes, to draw a pig that's small, and I'll draw it with you, okay? So let's draw a smaller pig next to the big pig. Use the same shapes. So one way of making something look big, is you place something that looks small next to it. And if you can use the same shapes, so if we draw a circle and we draw a smaller circle next to it, this looks big and that looks small. So it's all about repeating the shape.
Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.